Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video on basically me trying Amazon wigs. I know Amazon has wigs. Hi, I'm Robin Taylor, and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Actually, if you're watching this, just subscribe. Subscribe. Also, we're getting up there in the numbers, so what do you think I should call you guys? Comment down below what you think you guys want to be called, because I want to call you guys something so we can feel like a part of something, you know what I mean? But anyway, comment down below what you guys want to be called. And let's get right into this video. I went on Amazon because I saw a couple of people order some wigs off of Amazon, and I was just like, maybe I need to try some Amazon wigs. Ooh, girl, I forgot to set my face. I got some colors that I feel would be very, very interesting, and I know I have my scarf on right now. I usually don't look this ratchet, but you guys bear with me. All right, I'm gonna show you guys my Bow Wow Wow braids, but okay. Do you guys see my... Oh no, what is this?
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
This is terrible. Okay, so the first wig I'm gonna try is this wig right here. I don't know which one this is, but I got a wig that was really long and curly, and then I got one that was really short and curly. I think this is the really short and curly one. Yeah, this is the really short and curly one. And all of the hair that I'm trying is synthetic. I'm actually really excited. I need to hurry up because I'm honestly late for work, but whatever. I feel like I've never come to you guys this raw before. Also, if you guys like this makeup, thanks. I didn't film it, but every time I do a good job, I don't film it, but I'll film a tutorial on this. I wanted a lace front, but this is, I think this has bangs, so it doesn't have, there's no lace front. Yo, I feel like I'm gonna look like somebody's grandma. I have a really big head. Oh no, this does not look okay. I feel like I have to pick this out. What the hell? Okay, well this hair was like $16. I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I think this is a no. I look very old. I look like a grandma. No offense to any grandmas out there, but like, this is too... Maybe if I cut it, it'll look a little better. Maybe. Do you guys... What the heck? I don't... Ew. Mark! Come here. What do you think about this wig? What do you think?
Clear Huxtable.
Do you like it? No? Okay. On to the next wig. So the next wig I got was this long, it said it was 28 inches. I'll put all the links to these wigs down below if you guys want to check them out. In total, for all 3 wigs that I'm trying on today, it was $65 with shipping. So that was really good. Ugh, I don't like this one. I feel like if I wear this, I'm probably gonna have like a band. Do you see that? Oh, this is so annoying. I think I would have to wear this with like a band. Ouch! Yeah, I don't even like this one. Did you guys like that one? Let's see if I put it to the side. Let's see. That's terrible. Now, last but not least, I had to save this one for you guys. I had to save it because this hair is pink. So let's see how the pink one looks. I was the most nervous about this one because I was like, absolutely not. I'm not wearing a pink wig. Like, that's just stupid. But let's see, girl. Jesus Christ. I don't know. I don't think this is the move. Let me even see if this looks good with a filter. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this? I honestly don't know. I feel like I look weird. I've never tried this bold of a color. Yeah, it doesn't even look good with my filters. Well, maybe this one. By the way, go follow me on Snapchat because I'll put my Snapchat right here. And go follow me on Instagram because I just did a photo shoot. Y'all might want to see that. I'll put my Instagram right here. Go follow me. And why does this lipstick keep going in my teeth?
My joint look like broom hair.
I'm Nicki Minaj.
Literally, I got seen that before, and it was on the end of a broom.
Are you done?
No, because I think you need to get like real close to the camera so they can see these fibers coming off the right side of your head. That's your left. Look at that.
It's good for pictures. No? Okay, bye. Yo.
At least you're pretty.
Thanks.
Because your hair ain't.
Alright, yeah, maybe this is a little rink-a-dink. To be honest, like, I feel like just to play around, yes. Like, if you're having a wig party in a Halloween costume, yes. But if if you want to look, this is not good quality hair. Like, this is Amazon hair. It's synthetic hair. I mean, it's fun. They weren't that expensive. So if you want to try some new colors before you get like good hair and bleach it, then this is a good type of, you know, investment to have and just to play around. Or yeah, if I'm doing like a photo shoot or something, then maybe. But this is just not my thing. Maybe without the bangs, maybe if it was a little like real looking, maybe if it was like real hair, yeah, maybe if it was real hair, then maybe it'll look a little bit better, because then you can curl it, you can like have your edges and stuff. But right now, this is just not the move for me. Those are all a hot mess. I mean, I'll link these down below if you guys want to see them. This highlight, thank you, booming. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I certainly did. Waste money. Comment down below, of course, what you guys want to be called. And until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.